A statement by the former members of the Zimbabwe People's Army (ZIPA) High Command in support of the efforts to stop the mutilation of the Constitution Cap 3 sadabva namashoko obuda chipostiwa panguva ino naRetired Lieutenant Winston Skauke Mapuranga. Tona ileta yonyorwa ichinzi why they are in support of the efforts to stop the constitutional amendment. Ndobva subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Anobuda chiposta this letter yamuri kuona inobuda nyorwa ichinzi we the surviving former members of the ZANTLA component in the ZIPA High Command, Epison Neji aka Wolfstar Gwawea, Bernard Munyadza aka Paka Chipoera, Retired Brigadier General Dr. Advisory Ambassador Kaka Tendai Stanley Matthias Mudano aka Kaka Tendai Peverere, Edson Nyarambi aka Kennedy Tai Tezri, the founding director of Whampoa Ideological College at Chimonyo, now known as Chitepo Ideological College, and the progressive former Whampoa students. Progressive former senior members of the General Staff, we hereby express our unreserved opposition to the proposed constitutional amendment Cap 3, which we believe is an assault to the intelligence of the 18 million Zimbabweans, thousands of ex-combatants living and lying in known and unknown graves, those in mass graves, and those whose death place is known and will never be known, and many was collaborators and who collaborators living or dead. Our heroic past as ex-combatants cannot be protected by staying quiet without exercising our constitutional right to oppose this daylight robbery of the people's right to freely exercise their right to determine the future of our great nation. Our heroic past can only be preserved by our continued alignment with the masses that fought with us and are not only the owners of custodians of the Zimbabwean constitutional sovereignty, but also are the makers of history. Abandoning them at this critical moment is tantamount to committing suicide at a great betrayal of the suffering masses who have not known peace and economic freedom from the rhodesian era to date. Ndo mashoko eleta yonyorwa zvakananda panguva ino vachinzi aiwa isu we are not going to back off, we are going to call a spade, we are going to stop zvodaitwa nezvigananda. Kana comment section medu dzavhura imuri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi, subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.